Assalamu everyone, my name is Hamid Hussain and you're watching Commerce Online. In my previous video, I have solved question number 1.8 and 1.7 from Frankfurt 14th edition of Business Accounting. In this video, I am going to solve question number 1.10, in which it is said that draw up G. Cook's balance sheet from the following information as at 30th June 2019. So what you need to do, you need to make a draw balance sheet. Here is the information which is given in the question. The capital is 17,460, equipment is 9,720, account payable is 8,380, inventory is 6,430, account receivable is 9,280, cash at bank is 410. So what you need to do, you need to just make a balance sheet, and for that what you need to do, you need to write company's name first, that is G. Cooks, and then you will write balance sheet because you are making balance sheet, followed by date as at 30th June 2019. The format is same, remember, as we have made several questions from question number 1.7 to 1.8 in which we figured out the amount of capital. So the format is going to be same. First we will write non-current assets, so I am giving the heading of non-current assets and give an underline there, which means that below I am going to write non-current assets. So here the non-current assets is equipment. The only equipment here is in non-current assets, so I will write equipment. The amount of equipment is 9,720, so I will write here 9,720, and this is the only non-current asset, so I will write here total non-current asset. As I have mentioned earlier, the non-current assets are those assets which has useful life more than 1 year. So the amount of non-current asset is 9,720, followed by current assets, so I will write current assets, which I am going to add in non-current asset. After that I will get total current assets. So here non-current assets, I am starting from inventory. I will write inventory. The amount of inventory is 15,260. Account receivable. The amount of account receivable is 9,280, followed by cash at bank. That is 410. There might be a question in your mind that why I wrote cash at bank and last. Because of the liquidity, the most liquid asset will come in last. So when it comes to liquidity, inventory has the less liquidity than account receivable, as compared to inventory has more liquidity. And what is liquidity? Liquidity means how quick an asset convert in cash. So how quick an asset convert into cash is known as liquidity. Now I need to add all of them. 15. The inventory is 6430, so I will write 6430. By mistake I have written 1526, so I have just erased that amount and will write 6430. So 6430 of inventory, 9,280 for account receivable, cash at bank is 410. I will add all of them. That will become 16,720, and that is my total current assets. After adding total non-current asset and total current asset, I will get 26,440, and that is the amount of my total assets. After total assets, I will write less liabilities. So as I have mentioned earlier that when you subtract liabilities from assets you will get capital. So here I will write less liabilities. In this, account payable is my only liability, so I will write account payable, that is 8,380. Here once again I will write total liabilities, draw a line there, and then 8380 I will subtract. For subtraction I'll draw bracket sign. So remember, bracket sign is for subtraction, so I'll draw a bracket that shows that I am going to subtract total assets amount from total liabilities amount. That I get 17460, and that is my net assets. And as I have shown you earlier, that net assets is equals to your amount of capital. I hope you understand this, and if you want to know that what accounts comes in asset accounts or liabilities accounts or under the equity account, then you should follow my YouTube channel Commerce Online and watch the playlist of class 11 accounting, in which I have shown what are the accounts of assets and liabilities. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Enjoy.